Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making red oil hot pot. Without further ado, let's get started. First, carefully prepare the ingredients. Slice the ginger, diagonally slice the green onions, slice the garlic, and slice the pork fat. Cut the pork ribs into chunks, preparing them for the next steps. Fill a pot with water, add the pork ribs, and blanch them to remove any blood. Rinse the ribs with cold water to clean them thoroughly. Now, heat another pot and add the sliced pork fat, rendering the fat out. Add the remaining ginger slices and sauté until fragrant. Then, add dried chili peppers and the rest of the rehydrated shiitake mushrooms, stir-frying briefly. Add fermented bean paste and stir-fry until the red oil is released. Pour in half a pot of broth, add 2 teaspoons of salt, and bring to a boil. Transfer this mixture to the other side of the divided hot pot. Finally, add the remaining green onions and garlic. Next, in a new pot, add water and the pork ribs. Pour in a suitable amount of cooking wine to remove any gaminess, cover with a lid, and bring to a boil over high heat. Then, reduce to a simmer for 20 minutes, skimming off any foam that forms. Add half of the rehydrated shiitake mushrooms and 2 teaspoons of salt. Then transfer this broth to one side of a divided hot pot. Add some of the ginger, green onions, and garlic. Your delicious red oil hot pot broth is now ready. Whether you're dipping meat or vegetables, it will satisfy your taste buds. Enjoy. Friends, you must try our red oil hot pot. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.